Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about the school stationery haul, and here I'm Dashni to say more about it.
And here I'm Hashni to explain this haul.
Yeah, so let's get started.
So the main rule over here is it is a budget friendly and affordable range stationaries.
So let's get started as soon as possible,
And we also have more DIYs in
which
this.
we made together.
Yes guys, let's get
Get
inside the video.
started. So this is gonna be the space which we are gonna show you. So let's get started. And so yeah, it's eco-friendly. First, let's thumbs up. Please like our channel. Do subscribe too. So this is an eco-friendly pouch. Which we got from an Instagram store. So if we need, they can customize the pouch as a names, calligraphy, photos. We stuck the photo there, but she Hashni told no, let's show that in another video. Let's explain about it like that she said. So in another video, let's talk about it. Now let's see the stuff inside, and it's actually eco-friendly and 100% jute. And you can wash this pouch how many times you need, because it is waterproof. And actually if you're putting water, nothing will be harmed inside. So yeah, so this is very eco-friendly, and it's pure 100% jute. Yeah, so let's see the what's the stuff inside this. So can we open it, Hashni?
Yes, sure we can. Yes, sure we can open this now. Yeah. So first the things inside this have many stuffs which I use daily. So nowadays an online class are going, so we are just trying to record and put the video as soon as possible. So first here the thing is a pencil, a basic pencil which is like 1 rupee or 2 rupees, but we bought as a bundle for 100 rupees. This is from Dom's brand, so if you want I will paste the link below. So next we have that I use for drawing lines, this I use for writing notes. It is called like electric pencil, no, mechanical pencil, yeah, mechanical pencil. So we have some needles for this, so we have many stuffs for this. We have back eraser also, so no problem. And this is from Camelin. So Camelin is the best thing that I will suggest you for buying rough note or any stuffs you want.
So next is a beautiful gel pen which you can handle it for your daily use, because it has a sharp nib in gel pen, and it's very useful for your exams or taking notes. It's pretty good, and let me write and show you. Okay, yeah, let me go to the last page of this. And can you zoom it in? Yeah, okay. So see how good it is. It is just flowing. It didn't stop anywhere. So when you're taking a rush notes or a running notes, you can use this pen and see the rubber in it. It doesn't leave the pen. So next, this is a micron pen which is used for calligraphy. This will be told by Hashni, because that much I don't know about calligraphy.
I love calligraphy actually. We can see about this detailedly in future videos, or in this I have a box of calligraphy pens, so in that I will review on this. So this nib will be like this. This is called micron tip pen actually, I'm sorry. So this is a micron pen which you are using for calligraphy. It will be much darker. So I love this pen actually. So I have a bundle of pens like this, but today I'm going to show one piece and one box from that. So I'll just write and show you the example like flowing. So first you should press the nib in the note so the ink will flow. So next you can fill in your calligraphy letterings or like that. So first you should press that pen actually. It is a kickstart pen. So next we can go to next supply. So that is the white pen which you also use for a calligraphy. So a calligraphy we use a lot of pens, but when you are using in black chart it really look lovely as calligraphy. I can paste some pictures we did in a black chart calligraphy. So I will put more future videos on how to do calligraphy, basic calligraphy without any more supplies, with some simple stationaries. So next we have a flyer pen, cartridge pen. So it is from flyer, and this is also 50 rupees, and a budget friendly pen which we can use it normally. Then the cartridge will be like this size, so you can use this cartridge for this.
So yeah, now let me start it, Harshni. So you can see the nib, it's very sharp and you cannot do any mistakes with this nib, I think so. Will you?
No, do
No, I
not mess your handwriting
yeah, it
also.
shows you very very beautiful handwriting. I have done more writings with this and very beautiful. I love this pen and I'll give the description link. So this is a compass and pencil together, so always pin the pencil in your compass so you will not be in a hurry to do it before your exams, I think so. Pretty sure, right? This is
Yeah,
a fact.
actually, I basically do mandalas, so I use this as if you're not using, if you are
So
not putting a proper circle, you can basically use with this compass. Is the trick actually that I came across.
So
So
yeah, let me keep the basket because it's very very not good. I think so. It's very
messy.
messy. I don't like it. So you always need staple pins for pinning your exam papers or your notes or anything else. So always get the products in Kangaroo when you're buying the staple pens or stapler. It's a very good company. And I bought some needles for my microtic pencil and then a scale. These are very very basic things which I should not say, but it's okay, it's just for sharing. It's from Faber-Castell. If you need, I'll draw the link down. And yeah, now let's go to the next part. So what's next? Okay, it's a Parker pen box. So I always do my Parker pens in this box, but now when the lockdown came, just put the in my bag and I ran. So I'll show you once in another video about that and I'll give you a review. And this is a very very good staple from Kangaroo which I always do like. Then this is a geometry box which is advanced style, and also it's a little bit easier to use. And yeah, I'll open it. So this opening is very very good because it has a good handle where you can open it easily just by pushing up a button. So I'll show you. I've opened it and you'll be having many things. Can you explain it?
Yeah, you will basically not put any pencil on it. You don't need to put any pencil. It is like a fixed micro iron over there, a pencil iron. So I'll just show the tip of the pencil. It is like a sharp pencil nib over there, so they put it over there. I don't know what's the name of this. It is like something upon it. So you will have some sharpener for it. It is super cute. My favorite thing on this is my sharpener. So it is really really so cute enough. It is so small. You need to put the pencil inside the tip you saw, right? You should put it in and you should sharpen it. You have some screws to extend or decrease the size of the needle. So next we have a highlighter which is very very useful to take notes, and also some sticky notes also very useful. So you need some sticky notes and highlighter if you're writing running rules.
Okay, so now let me start it again. Okay, wait. So this is a pen from Pilot, V7 Pilot. It's really good, and if you want a neat handwriting like a gel pen, please work with this pen. It's actually, if you're buying it for 50 rupees, I'll show you the box. Wait, it's actually for 50 rupees, and if you invest in this pen, you have to invest much more in the cartridges. Why I say means three cartridges are among like the 50 rupees. Just the pen is 50, the cartridges are 50. Just three cartridges. I have to talk about these two arts. The first art is done by me, Dashni, and the second art, Mandela art, is done by Hashni. She's very very interested in Mandela. Can you talk about it?
Yeah, Mandela is a cute art, a traditional art. I basically talk about that, and I want to do a separate video on that. So I just love mandala art because it can be in your taste and your favor. And inside I wrote some quotes which can motivate me to take some lot of notes. And this is a to-do list note we actually made in home before recording this video. Actually, it was really fun. So I just want to put some decorative tapes. After that I will show in another video. And this is also made by me. This is a notes which I want to buy things. So I need to, second is a haul which I want to do on budget friendly haul under 200 rupees. So I wrote some things on that, and this is my to-do list which I did now before 2 days. So I just wrote max test I had. So what are the things I had, I wrote. And here we have how many liters of water we drink, so we want to mark it over there. So I have a very good hydration in my life. So then it is made up of cardboard. We need to stick some decorative papers, but I still did not because I just want to complete this. And I will show again, I will show this work in another video. So I just wrote this budget friendly haul for next video. So we are just filming that, and we ordered it should arrive. Because of this lockdown we have separate days, we have departure delay in 2 days. So next product is from a pencil, and this we are not getting in any online, it is from Indonesia. So this pencil is watercolor pencil which will be superb interesting, and if you're an art lover you must buy this. I really want to say a review, a positive review. The best thing over here, it is a watercolor pencils.
Yeah, sure. It's pretty well and it's good in sharpness and everything I like. It's not much expensive too, and it is from exported from outside. It's from Germany, and its rate is around how much?
3 to 400.
Yeah, 3 to 400. It's not that much expensive actually. If you need around 10 colors or 15 colors, you can check out any other small packages of this, which we'll try to give it down the link.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Then this is a Microtic pen which we showed a piece before. Please talk it about.
It's a micron pen which is actually superb lovely. So I showed this before itself, but I just want to show something in this. So the thing is, you will have some better experience of calligraphy when you use these pens. So the thing is, you will have some 6 pens for 550 rupees something. I'll just show the rate. So this pens will have 6 pens, and it will be a superb flow pen. If you're doing black color calligraphy, it is more than enough. And you will have separate tights. We will say the tights, the tip of the pen should be thicker and darker. We will say the tights, so it is like 8 tights. So the price is 550 rupees per packing. Like a set of 6 is 550. It is little bit expensive, but it worth it when you buy it. So next we have some soft pastels.
Yeah, actually, these are bit expensive. If you're a artist, it's a little cheap for you. Like we found it little cheap, so we bought it. If you're not an artist, you will think that it's little expensive. And these are soft pastels, and it carries around 190 rupees. And yeah, these are very good. There are 20 soft pastels in, and I have broken some, and they have given some sponges to make it unbroken, and you can see some broken. And okay, this is come under the category artist, as you see in the heading, and it has 20 colors as mentioned at back. Okay, so yeah, you can see it, I think so. Yeah, okay. Why? What happened? Please leave the video. Sorry, I was talking to Ashni. And the soft pastels are really good. And now again the artist category. It comes under the artist category. You can see, I think so. Then these are watercolor tubes. This is around 400, 390, 390. Yeah, 390. It has 24 tubes in it. So I'll show you. It's 390 rupees. And yeah, 24 tubes and 5 ml in each. So this is like a haul video, so we will say a review about it in any other video. If you need any review about the products you are going to buy, please tell us in comment, so that you can we can put a review video on it, and will help you in your budget friendly shopping. Is it Ashni? Are you
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
I think you're not okay biting my phone. Okay.
It is silly things.
Okay, now let's pack it up and we have some more things. Do we have?
Yeah, we have some supplies as like storage boxes. So this is a scissor. Actually, you don't need this much big scissors. We do for some art. So we was cutting some big amount of paper. So we took this big paper. Sorry, big scissors. Actually, you don't need it. It come with a
Why
bottle opener.
blabbering, Ashni?
It take more than 16 seconds. I can't even talk. My mouth is paining.
In
So it is.
16 minutes.
Yeah, 16 minutes. What I said, I don't know. So here we have a glue, so which is 75 rupees. You can get also some offers when you buy it on online. It is a
Okay, okay, cool. I'll talk it.
it is a glue.
Okay, and this is a transparent purse. I cannot have the link because I bought it in Thailand. I bought in Thailand, right?
Europe, I think so. Like
Europe, I don't know.
Paris or something.
Somewhere we went, so I bought it from there when I was a kid. Okay, and this is another transparent Hello Kitty pouch. I like it so much.
Yeah.
Sorry, my another kitty voice came out. I think so. So yeah, this is a shopping haul.
So I think you loved it, and we are ready to put
More videos.
videos.
Please subscribe our channel. We love you guys, and these are supplies. And please put a comment about the art, please. And if you need reviews about any of these products, please comment down so that we'll take a small review on it. We'll post it on shorts so that it will be very very useful for you. And let's be together, fight the pandemic which is going on. And tata, bye bye.
Bye guys, take care.
Stay safe inside your home, and bye bye.